What's up, Chooch? Let me see here. What's up, Elliot? What's up, Ziki? What's up, Bart? Clothing, what's up, brother? Chooch, your bullets today. Morning, Elliot. What's up? What's up? Good morning, Elliot, to you. Expecting SD today. Seek and destroy. Is that what you're trying to say? You trade commodities as well? Commodities. No, not really. Not really, no. What's your bias? I'll cover bias in a bit. I'm gonna let people join up. You think we might go to the 4-hour equal lows? Eventually, maybe. Yeah. Right now, it's an S&T. We'll cover bias. Just give it like 5, maybe 7 minutes. Just let people join up. Let me announce I'm live. I just don't want to have to announce it multiple times. But I'll tell you guys what I see. I'll for now just continue marking out my key levels. Yep, this is NASDAQ. Simply everything else good read. Oh yeah, right. That was a solid play we ran through. I'm not even gonna talk about what happened, Beth, but you know what? We're gonna keep locking it in. Yo, what's good, bro? I know I probably see what shit I'm not gonna lie, I already put in so many lays, so I was already locked in for the day. Bro, I don't even want to talk about what happened yesterday, bro. I don't even want to talk. I did some dumb shit. Bro, I had 3 lays, okay? I had 3 lays. I had $100 bonus, and I placed like 2 $20 bets. 3 lays. If everything were to cash out, it would have been 400. Every single leg hit in every single lay, except PJ Washington. This guy scored donuts, bro. Donuts. 0. The entire game. How are you a starting center for a team and you get 0 points? I could have scored 0 points. If they needed someone to score 0 points, your boy's right here. Like, your boy's right here. I could have ran up and down the court for half the price, bro. If that's what they needed. Like, come on, man. 0? Really? 0? And 10 rebounds? What's crazy is I had him for PR. He only needed like 15 PR. And bro went 10-0, which is just crazy. Anyways, we don't even talk about that. I'm going to cover buys shortly. I'm just going to wait for some people to join up. And then we will cover buys. I'll be trading NASDAQ, guys, for those asking. We'll mark out NDOG, yeah. I was going to mark out in the day opening gap. Let me just announce that I'm live quickly. Brother, you look tired? Do I look tired? Do I really look that tired? I mean, yeah, I guess I pretty much look tired every morning. I feel like I literally just woke up like 20 minutes ago. Okay. What analog and what do? Glasses. Should I put on my glasses? You're saying I should put on my glasses? It won't make me look tired. On glasses. What's up, Shane? All right. Let's mark out these key levels. Your new day opening gap, in case we range today, would be a good. I mean, it's always a good target or level that you can look to propel price. We actually have a nice new day opening gap today. This is your new day opening gap low. And this is your new day opening gap high. You have a 34 point gap. 15-minute chart. We do have this Asia low. We have this 15-minute BISI. And for the most part, that's all I see. So we are currently bearish, meaning we did sweep out buy side. So buy side's been taken. We did get the shift in CISD. We got the market structure shift as well. Order flow has been bearish. However, I personally do want to see a little bit higher. Maybe these equal highs. We could be wrong, and we just continue to dump towards previous day's low. And if so, well, we're just going to have to change our buy. So if our setup doesn't form and we don't really get that confirmation that it's going to go higher, then we just accept that we were incorrect, you know, and there's nothing wrong with changing buys. But I think for now, we are going to look for longs because I want to see these equal highs taken. The fact that ES already took out sell side on the daily chart, and we do have this SMT. I'm not saying this SMT means we're going to reverse, but I do think it can lead to at least some sort of retracement higher, and previous day high looks pretty good. Topic that we have opening range gap from yesterday. Yeah, you can definitely use that as well. That move up was sponsored by anything, right? Could be a fake low of day. To me, it looks like it was sponsored from this raid on ES. ES took out this low, so we have an SMT here. And we closed all the way up. We came back and closed all the way above the rejection block. So, read my question, bro. I was planning to short gold, but didn't get any good entry. Can you help me with price action once? What's up, 2Chainz? You want me to help you with price action once? What does that even mean? Yeah, aim for this. I don't know. Weekly looks like a good level to aim for. You got your inversion, or it looks like we are inversing. Yeah, look for a short. Where should you take an entry? You gotta wait for a retracement. I mean, that's what I would do. Wait for a retracement and then wait for a confirmation. Something like that. You can't short it from down here. It's not high probability. If it just dumps, it just dumps. Did it just dump? It pretty much just dumped. Yeah, I mean, you really can't catch a move like this unless you're positioned before, like from Asia or maybe London. I'm thinking the same thing, Toxic. I think we're in a deep discount. So there's nothing wrong with it, assuming it's going to go higher just for that reason alone. That's just one reason that we could simply retrace higher on the daily chart. But we also have an SMT divergence here from Monday, February 3rd's low. And we did respect the rejection block. So this body, we did come back above. We respected the consequent, blah, 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 whatever, of the, if you guys remember yesterday, we drew out this, right, this gray pool. And I said that would be a final objective for me. It pretty much reached that gray pool and then went higher. So to me, I do think, right, this little wick here respecting like 3 key levels on the higher time frame could reckon a move higher, at least towards previous day high. That's kind of what I'm looking at right now. But I will say, if you do go intraday price action, we are currently bearish, right? There's no signs of higher. There's no signs of intraday bullish price action as of right now. Yeah, I think the BPR and yes. Let me also quickly look at what's February 26th today. Today's February 26th. There's no news. There's no news today. Alright, so there's no news today. Bro, sit properly. What does that even mean, bro? Alright. See, I think it's me up between you. Opening capital before going up. It's still disturbing. It looks. What's up, Yaki? Yeah, we also could be very range bound. So I posted. Oh, I guess I didn't post yesterday. I posted it in Gems, but it's possible to stay in seek and destroy until afternoon, or even post market, because Nvidia earnings are today. Nvidia's earnings are today, so 4 hour get rejected. Maybe McDonald's application. Opinion about gold, the bearish. Your sitting posture. I'll try to sit better. Yeah. Yeah, it is aftermarket. But you know what's the worst thing? When you brush your teeth in the morning and then you have like orange juice. Shit doesn't even taste good, bro. Lame as fuck. Why market dumped? Because I clicked sell yesterday. What does the opening gap? I want to see a respect in the opening gap if it's going to deliver higher. That's why you don't brush your teeth? That's crazy. No, you have to brush your teeth in the morning, bro. That's just not arguable. Facts! What? Facts? Double facts? You guys don't be brushing your teeth in the morning, bro? Nah, what the hell's going on, guys? He's kind of right, though? No, I don't think any news. Bias? I want to see higher, but I don't mind switching my bias. It's kind of like soft today. It's kind of soft. I'm going to focus more on intraday stuff. Right now, order flow is bearish. There's really no signs of bullish price action intraday. We swept buy side, sell side still open, and we shifted on the 15th. So I wouldn't be surprised if we just keep going lower. Asia low, low of day, maybe previous day low. I wouldn't be surprised. But I would like to start potentially seeing some signs of bullish price action. If so, then we're looking for an 830 high, and best case scenario, previous day high. I might just implement my range model today, so we just focus a lot on the range. Unless we start showing signs of large expansion or volatility, we'll just trade the range model, because we could be stuck in this range for a while. It's possible. So we'll go from that. So you use endogenous imbalance to respect price higher, inverse it here, but exactly what you just said. Or as a drawn liquidity. So for example, we still have this portion open right here, right? We haven't traded this part. It's still a gap. So you can use this as a drawn liquidity. It's an imbalance, just like anything else. Anyways, you guys know the drill. It's 9:28. 9:29 now. We are 1 minute away from market open. You guys know the drill. I'm going to minimize chat. I'll be commentating everything I see, any trades I take using my model. Hopefully, I will take and execute and annotate why. We're going to be risking 500 today on the accounts. And yeah, just so you guys know, so this is TradingView demo. I'll be executing the trades on my Top Step X accounts on my second monitor. So I don't want to hear no, bro, paper trading, didn't trust the setup or whatever, blah, blah, blah. You know, so just know I'm executing on my second monitor. If I execute on TradingView, it means I executed on Top Step X. Last thing I will mark out is opening range gap. So 10 seconds, opening range gap. If it's really small, I'll just mark out that low. But if we get something decent, looks like about 48 points. I mean, we'll run it. We'll do it. So that's your opening range gap. This is where we closed. This is where we opened. I'll remove the 0, and I'm just gonna make this 50%. I gotta just change these settings because, oh shit, I don't remember which one it was. Yes, we are dumping off open, which is fine. All right, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I can see it pretty nicely. So, all right, we went straight for that Asia low. Yep, straight for that Asia low, looks like. And probably fill in the new day opening gap and the opening range gap here. So we're just gonna have to wait. This obviously this candle's just going. This is where you gotta just be patient. Not interested in, not even anything close to remotely. There's your full new day opening gap closure. I'll trade on this. All right, I'm just saying, make sure my accounts are all good and stuff. Looks to be good. All right, so we did take out full new day opening gap. Your CISD would be over here. That could constitute a long if I'm being honest, but we'll see if we get it. I'll probably say ES has to inverse. I don't want to take no long like this. Like, I really don't want to take no. This is not ideal. I'm looking at this fair value gap on ES. We have an immediate rebalance. 2Chainz, if you're in the no, not 2Chainz. It was Don. If you're in the chat, remember yesterday we talked about how this imbalance formed, but if you look here, it did not form. It closed up. That's a candidate for lower pricing because it immediately rebalanced here, but it formed on ES. So that's just something to keep in mind. But obviously, we just let this volatility play out. It's obviously very volatile. Your setup could form A++, and then the next candle just absolutely runs through your stop loss, like just like that. So it's better to just wait out this. It's not clean, not organized. So just wait a little. It's a good sandwich. I ain't gonna lie. There's not much to read here. You kind of just let this go and see what happens. We're just inside the new day opening gap and the opening range gap. We took out Asia low. So if we're gonna go higher, I would expect so. I would expect to do so soon. We do have a small SMT right here. So I'm looking at this fair value gap on ES. If it inverses, I think we can continue. NQ is a little bit more bullish right now because of this SMT, like that. So we'll see if we get that expansion. Going for reversal here is just never going to be ideal. That's just the reality. This would be the 3-minute. The 3-minute breaker would be nice. It looks pretty clean. Still just gotta be patient here. I'd look for something like this. I want to see if that happens. This is really ugly right now, so you just kind of have to wait. Maybe we start to expand after that little sweep. I do like that wick. So if we're going to go higher, the first thing I'd want to see respected is 50% of that wick. Let's say hypothetically we got to fill like this. You have 50-point stop loss, man. That would be like 4 micros. I just want to see, do we get these first signs of bullish order flow, or are we still ranging? For example, do we respect this wick? On the next candle, do we break this high? Maybe on the next candle, do we get the CISD on the 1 minute? These kind of little things would be like your first early signs of bullish order flow. Does it happen quickly? Does ES inverse this fair value gap? You also don't want to read too much into it because we're still just consolidating. Ideally, I want to see us form a bullish fair value gap. For me to actually long it, I'd probably need to see a bullish fair value gap. I mean, wow, we just go. All right, so we're gonna wait for a bullish fair value gap here and see if we can get an entry. If it just rips, I'm not interested. It's got to give me a decent fill. We can always use a 3-minute breaker. Don't get FOMO. Just follow the rules. See what happens. Something like this could be a decent trade. I haven't used a limit order in a while, but what's that? It's micro. Alright, we'll see. So I'm watching this as it trades down. Damn. That could just be it. Honestly, we might have just missed it. I was just hoping it would trade down a little deeper and then we can get a market order in, but this looks like it's going to take off potentially. I'm still going to wait. The 3 minutes still forming, so we could just take the 3 minute if it does want to come back. But the risk reward is just not the best. And we can always look for protraction if we miss the reversal. Come on, this can't be taking so long. I mean, we did get a clean 3-minute breaker, 3-minute fair value gap. So just going to look for the 3-minute fair value gap, to be honest. Okay, this seriously, you can't be taking that long. can't be taking that long. Let's refresh that and hopefully it's better now. There you go. So yeah, we'll look at the 3-minute fair value gap. 3-minute order block already touched. Call it a 5 micro trade. I really want to see it come back into the 3. There's the 2-minute. Dude, this can't be taking so long when it's freaking trying to refresh. I need to close this tab or something. We could always take it on the OB here. I'm just trying to get a good entry now. And yeah, it looks like we may not come back for the 3. I want to see this close nice, soup that low, and then as soon as we get that little confirmation. The reason I want to pair it with the 3 is because the breaker is very clean on the 3. And also the longer we wait towards the macro, the better. So, and if it just expanded without me, what would I have done? I would wait for my protraction model, so I'm not worried. Okay, we should take out this low. There you go. So there's your 3-minute in play now. Let's see how this reacts. I'm a little skeptical, so that's why I'm waiting. That's why I don't use limit orders anymore. See, if we took that trade, we would have been stopped out. Patience is good. Patience is good, people. Now we wait. Now to see what happens. First presentation for value gap. This is the marking right here. I'm not going to change my bias yet, but we will. I'm going to remove the new day opening gap markings. Just clean this up a little. If we can re-inverse this first presentation, that could be a long idea for me. Would just make me believe that this low is protected. If we inverse this, I'll go long. This looks like it might stay heavy, but we'll see. The 3 minutes still holding for now. Obviously deep retracement, but we closed inside. 3-minute wick. I'm just really watching this fair value gap. I'm watching this 50% as well on the 3-minute. I finished my first breakfast, so. Oh yeah. If this just closes bullish here, we'll take this. It flipped really nice, then the body starts to wick. But let's see how this closes. Also, we're really in range bound. We are really range bound, so let's get a nice close here. We didn't inverse, you know. I gotta, you know. Actually, technically we did inverse, but I'm gonna wait for another candle because we're still inside first presentation. Thank God we didn't think that. We're still inside first presentation, but you know what? If you have to zoom in to see if it inversed, I feel like that's pretty L. But there's a couple of red flags here. One, we're still range bound. We're still stuck in this range. That's one. Two, we're inside first presentation. We did not inverse. Three, yes, we had an inversion inside first presentation, and we are respecting the 3-minute, but the lack of displacement there is the reason I didn't push the button. So basically, this classic model idea is pretty much done. And if we're gonna see the long, I actually need to see the closure above for this to be an order block. So, in fact, I would have been breaking rules if I did push the button, because I think we're out of the scopes of a classic model. And this could probably make our entry here. Stop would go below this level. I'm just gonna wait for the candle close. Hopefully it doesn't go too far. It's got to inverse first presentation. It's got to give me the CISD right here. This is awful price action, to be honest. I honestly feel bad for if anyone took a trade and maybe they got stopped out. Like this is ugly. The reason I say it's ugly is because it keeps expanding and then just wicks. You get a deep retracement and then it expands. Can this close bullish? Can we finish strong? Stop will go below this black candle here. All right, as soon as it ticks down. I got such a bad fail, man. I got such a bad fail. But it is what it is. So we're in off the first presentation inversion and the CISD formation. I took it at market. Not the best entry, but we can get to risk reward, so it's fine. My stop loss is going to below this candle. This I can qualify this as an order block, or a propulsion block, however you want to view it. We did just put in an S&T at the highs. That is quite of a red flag, but we just touched the order block. I'm going to remove these black lines. We'll focus on first presentation for now. So this is your order block. So we did just touch it. I want to see that propel price higher. I want to see a speed above this old high. If we're just going to leave this, I don't want to see a swing high put in here is what I'm trying to say. If we put in a swing high here, that's a red flag for me. A red flag. So again, I do not want to see this swing high form here. We're zooming out. We do a 15-minute city right here. 5-minute right there. 3, 1. It's such a bad fill. Like if we got filled here, then we could have partialed here. But okay, so it's good that we didn't form the swing high there. All right, that's the first thing we wanted to see. It's a really bad fill. Like honestly, I'm not happy about this fill. Little bit like, I don't want to say FOMO, but we could have gotten a lot better fill. The inversion was here. We got filled like 8 points higher. So want to manage this position. Honestly, I do like this potentially going like all the way. Why can't we have ES price action right now? What happened to this SMT that was in our favor? Huh? Oh, it actually broke. Again, I don't want to see any swing highs get put in. I just want to see it go. We do have SMT. I mean, ES looks like it's going all the way, so. We'll have to wait and see. Now it's out of our control. So now all we need to do is, manage correctly. You don't want to hold on to a loser, and you don't want to let go of a winner. Always try to do what's in your best interest. That's why I don't have the P&L on. I don't even know how much I'm up. Even on my Top Step accounts, I don't know. I don't want to know. Actually, wait, I can't see it on Top Step. But whatever, I'm just not even going to look. So, we can put in a swing high here. That's okay. I would just want to see it get displaced and this become an order block. We zoom out. We have a really nice 5-minute shift here. 5-minute CISD, 5-minute propulsion block. Our stop's pretty good. So order flow is starting to look pretty bullish, right? The 15's expanding. 30 minutes, we'll probably take out that high. It's a nice wick on the hourly. So, yeah, let's see. I mean, ES is all the way here, man, which is just quite upsetting. Because I don't want us to put in an SMT at this buy side. So remember I said close above and then use that. Yeah, that would be nice. I want to see this buy side get taken, if I'm being honest. I do want to see that buy side get taken. If we look at our deviation legs, it's 2.5s right there. I want to see that buy side get taken. Dude, I forgot to execute on my Button by Traders account. Okay, we do have an SMT now. So I am a little bit skeptical about this trade. Breaking even might even be a potential idea. At this 10-minute low. The reason I say break even here or put my stop right here is because we do have a crazy SMT. And since we're not partialing, we do kind of have to break even. It's just is what it is. You either partial or you break even. So the SMT is there. It's a hard rule for me. When we get SMT at a key level, and this is key level because this is your major buy side, we do have to break even there. So I am on the trade. So I know this is, we took the trade on Top Step X. I only took it with 5 micros on Top Step because the fill was even worse. I have to make sure execute on Top Step first. So hopefully our break even doesn't get hit. Do I think it will? I think it's like 50-50. Honestly, it's hard for me to say because ES could just reach higher towards previous day's high, meaning NQ will likely reach out this buy side level, right? And it's also a nice buy model. This is an OB, so we trailed our stop to a reasonable level. It's not like it doesn't make sense. You can always trail your stop to any reasonable level. This breaker, like I like that. Hopefully we just get the continuation and price just continuously respects the candles. I will take it partial at this level for sure, and then we'll leave it for previous day high, best case scenario. I'll probably take out 4 and then 2 is what I was thinking. I'm gonna put the stop loss here, but just know that it's break even, so I would just close it. Okay, that's good. Looks like we are rushing towards the buy side level. And I will probably take off. Yeah. How close are we to previous day high? Part of me just, so this is the thing. This is the thing, guys. If this trade just runs higher than here, it doesn't have to go much higher. Call it like 20 points. I think we just pass. But obviously, it's not about passing. It's about doing what you think is right. And the truth is, my stop loss isn't in the best place. If we can form this 5-minute gap in premium, deep premium. 5-minute chart looks pretty nice right now. We did get this inversion. I want to see if that holds. Let's just manage the position as we're supposed to. Right? Let's not even look at. I should even look at the P&L. We are coming down very aggressively right now. Pretty much wicked our break even here. Almost got hit break even on top step. Hopefully this candle can flip. So let me show you guys this candle. Our stop loss is right here. I mean, I like that wick, but again, it doesn't matter if we don't get the follow through. Did it trade into any level? Nah, it looks like an immediate rebalance. I mean, besides the order block there. I get a little bit lower. Let's see. The reason I say we might go lower is because of the fair value gap on ES. It's right there, which we could always look for a re-entry opportunity from. And we did get hit the break even there. So we did break even this trade. Just unfortunate the buy side was taken on ES, but I mean, there's nothing wrong with looking for a re-entry here. Hopefully this can go a little bit lower. There is really no clean. There's a 3-minute gap right there. So pretty much, if we get this inversion, I'm gonna look for a long, and that's why I said it's okay to break even. In fact, a long like this would probably be even better risk to reward if we just got something like this. So if we get the inversion here, I will go long. It can go a little bit lower. I would prefer it go a little bit lower to this OB and 3-minute gap. There you go. I think it just nope, it actually did not touch. It doesn't need to touch though because ES already touched. So if we get an inversion here, yep, I will go long. This will be a 7 micro trade, I believe. Oh, more? 8? It'll be an 8 micro trade. So if this inversion happens, I will re-enter the position, expecting a run to the buy side. We're going to take this with 10. I'll reduce my risk, will be a little bit smaller. Just looking to see if we inverse or not. That's all I'm looking for. Hopefully it doesn't go too far if it inverses. It looks like we will get a clean inversion here. All right. How did I get such a bad fill again? So stops to cover the inversion. Because on the 5, I believe we respected, we respected that inversion. We touched the OB on the 5. So let's remove this, mark out this. So second attempt at this long, first one broke even. I want to see us close above this high, form an order block here, and see that take us higher towards the buy side, which is right here. Not really getting that follow through right now. Damn, was there news? I didn't see no news. My stop's a re-inversion below this level. Do your protraction model. Want to see this again? Close above the blue line, form the OB. Ideally, it does so in this candle, but we'll see. We do have an SMT to hide again now, unfortunately. We did put an SMT like this. I want to see that immediately just run through. We broke the SMT. Now I want to see follow through. Still haven't closed above that line. Let's just call it this high. We close above this high. Been really being choppy here, which is kind of lame. There's something I'm missing. 15. The 15 didn't inverse, but I mean, we traded really high. We do have an SMT, the buy side still. If we're wrong, it will reverse from here, you know? If we are wrong, it will reverse from this price level, like right now. So we'll get a CISD right here. Retouching that inversion. Kind of have to wait and see, you know? It hasn't been invalidated. The trade's definitely slowing down. No real follow through. I'm looking at the high. I'm looking to see, do we get a CISD lower? If so, that's a red flag. We close the trade. I'm gonna watch the body here. So this is your buy side level. But this 15 minute is a 15-minute gap right above the buy side level. So it could potentially just go into there. Which is why I marked out this green line and the black line. I'm watching the body here. And I'm also, see how we didn't close above. I don't really like that. But it's obviously just a 1 minute chart still forming on the 2, 3. So let's see. I'm trying to figure out like how to manage this. If I want to take half off here, secure, that'd be like a secured break even. Or do I just want to break even once it takes the high and see if we can pass the account? No follow through still. We did reach 2.5 standard deviations. Very strong displacement after taking that high so far. Immediate rebalance. I want to see us close above this blue line. If we don't, it's a very red flag. I don't really want to see a lower low than this. Because the thing is, there's not really any reason to go lower. If we go lower, it means it's just going to reverse. So I want to see this stay heavy. I'm ready to close at any given moment. We are like around break even. I'm watching closely on my Top Step X account, seeing how this candle closes. I don't want to hold on to a loser if it's not showing me anything good. But, you know, accumulation, there's nothing wrong with just consolidation. Consolidation doesn't make my trade invalid. We didn't close below that level. Red line's my hard stop, by the way. Hovering the close button on my Top Step account. So I'm watching closely. Watching this low, I want to see, do we stay above this low? If we close below, we'll probably get out a little bit early. If anything, this looks like it's going to shift bearish. I do think this is going to shift bearish. So that's a close. And I do kind of want to look for a short here, if I'm being honest. I think that's just your shift. You know, we swept the buy side and that's it on ES. That's your shift. So I want to see if we get a bearish fair value gap here. Maybe we switch the buys. This is your CISD. This is your order block. So I'm watching this candle. We didn't really trade into any specific level. I wouldn't look for a protraction. Maybe we did just get souped. Looks like it'll go lower, but we'll see. So we did take the one loss there. We were aiming for this level, and it just never really got there. And right now, to me, honestly, it's not that clear where this is going to go. It's really not that clear. I'm going to open up chat, see what chat's saying here. We need Biden back. All in shorts. EF did not take Asian lows. Did you just take out that trade? Yep, we took it out. That's hard. Man, please don't spam. Yeah, definitely don't spam. I'm paying to control the markets. I'm still long from the first gap. Nice, bro. Yeah, we did catch a nice long here. In hindsight, I guess we could have just held the original trade and trusted it. This was our original trade. Something like that. Losing hope in good PA. Guess I was too tight. I mean, I broke even because of the SMT, but it looks like it'll play out. Made 350 trail stop loss on first trade. Nice, bro. LA Passion. Just want to see if we reach that level or not. I don't see us taking a re-entry here. Market does not want to make SMT. I don't know what that means. Don't want to sell down. A good idea with these markets. I had SL on my actual accounts. Yes, new at. Look at MNQ. How is there SMT between MNQ and NQ? Yes, there is home sales, I think. Yeah, so I didn't have the orange folder. I didn't have the orange folder there toggled. Your chart's like 15 seconds slower than mine. It's probably not 15 seconds slower. It's real-time data. You're probably just watching it. I don't think the delay is 15. I think the stream delay is like 2 seconds or 1 second. So I don't know. Maybe just refresh. Like ICT took the same long as us. We got stopped out in profit. Honestly, I don't see myself taking another trade here. I feel like we take out the high, and you either held it through the sloppiness, or you didn't, you know, and that's it. And there it is, probably gonna deliver right now. It's just annoying. We consolidated through the entire macro, and then we ran the buy side as soon as the macro ended. So that would have been TP. Yeah, I was bullish the entire day. I guess that's a little bit frustrating, but it is what it is. Why were you bullish? The rejection from the rejection block, the gray pool, and the SMT put in at February 4th low, February 3rd's low, I thought would justify us reaching towards previous day's high. Previous day's high is my objective. If you look at ES, we're about to reach previous day's high probably within the next 2 minutes. So we'll see. I mean, already there, it's 1 point away. So whether we take it or not is irrelevant. The idea is that it's the drawn liquidity. Why didn't you wait for the first presentation FEG trade? I did take the first presentation FEG trade. The time I put break even, it got hit and run through my objective. All right, me too, bro. I never go break even really, but I mean the SMT is a hard rule for me. The SMT is a hard rule. In hindsight, we could have left the trade, broke even, and let it run. That's probably what I should have done. That's what I preach doing. It wasn't the hourly SIBI, it was the SMT at the major level. Couldn't imagine what people that started trading in February are feeling. Could you describe what a gray pool is? A gray pool is when there's 2 wicks and the 2 wicks overlap. You mark out the 50%. You get out the trade or hit stop. It hit stop. I took the trade out. I closed manually. We're thinking the same thing, but weren't you scared of the hourly SIBI? No. This? Nah. You were so bearish? Well, you had an incorrect bias today, bro. Can you answer me or not? At least give me an answer. What's your answer, bro? I was go short on JBP, JPY after London High up with a good PA, but I got stopped out. Can you please? You gotta send me a screenshot of the trade, bro. First presentation inversion. Yeah. Reclaimed right there at 947. Great trade. Show an example of a gray pool? Sure. I'll give you an example. I just want to see if ES takes previous day high. Previous day high was my objective. So where would I have closed? I would have partialed here. And I would partial again if ES reaches previous day high. I don't use Discord. Please just do it on your charts. No, bro. I'm not doing that right now. We're reviewing NASDAQ price action. Should I keep my long to all-time highs? All-time highs. I don't know about all-time highs. I think we're still very bearish. I think we're a while from all-time highs, but this is NASDAQ, guys. This is NASDAQ. London high, 5 minute. Brother, if you followed all your rules and the trade did not play out, you simply either had the wrong bias or they just didn't play out. That's it. Why'd you not enter at the 5 minute FEG around 9:40? What 5 minute FEG, bro? I don't see no 5 minute FEG. I had the wrong bias. No trade. Good job, brother. How was it not daily bearish bias? I was bullish expecting retracement on the daily. Can you show what a gray pool is? Yep, I'll show a gray pool. Let me just, I want to watch these next couple of candles print. And then I'll show you why I expected it to go higher. Womp womp, took a big L. Yeah, that's all good, bro. We come again tomorrow. I might have to, because my rebuild's on the 28th. So we might just have to send it in the PM for me. Or something. Oh, you changed your name to Lori. I rate it, bro. Just unlucky because ESL bias so quickly causing bears. Yeah, it's just an, I mean, I'm not going to say unlucky. Obviously, we could have avoided it. Could have just closed it right then and there. But it's kind of unlucky. Like, realistically, that's a winning trade. The model did not fail. It's just the huge SMT formed at that time. Like, we're talking, like, pretty significant 30, 40 points. We're about to take previous day high on ES, I think. Will you go live? No, I won't trade PM live. Entry, Gaddy, unlucky. Bad entry for me or for you? I had a really good entry. There's previous day high. So we did have the correct bias. We pretty much, all we really had to do was hold it through this choppiness. We let this kind of get to us. But I mean, when you see choppiness, when you see this SMT and you see this choppiness inside the macro, it really is a red flag. Really is a red flag. Yeah, it is what it is. With the right idea. We did good today. Entry confirmation was the close above first presentation fair value gap. That's why I entered. And then if you remember, we marked out, whoever was paying attention, this 15-minute bearish fair value gap right above the highs. We touched it right there. So that could have been like your best. What time does New York session close? Lunch starts at 11:30, brother. And then PM session at 1:30. Keep Discord. Was that a break even? Or was that break even, Chooch? Yeah, I'm done for morning. That's all my objectives hit. That's it, bro. It's been a year as a trader. I blew up my account. I just can't take it. I don't know. Should have held through the storm. Should have held through the storm is correct. We should have held through the storm. You know what time that is? What time what is? UK time? No, that's Eastern time, bro. Eastern time. It's always Eastern time. Well, that'll probably be it for me today, guys, if I'm being honest. Bro, when you're done, then please help me mention once. I'm very sad right now because of the PA, bro. Please do it once. Alright, bro, only because you're gonna cry about it. I guess we can talk about British pound. What did you say earlier? What did you say? It took a short on GBP JPY after London high. What time did you enter, brother? Tell me what time you entered. I don't know what you're talking about. Did you enter at 7 a.m.? Did you enter at 7 a.m.? We took London highs at 7 a.m. 9:35? Bro. You didn't enter no sweep of London highs. London highs is right here. I don't know what you're talking about. We took out London highs at 7 a.m. today. What's up, Let's check the 5-minute chart. Bro, it doesn't matter what. Alright, bro. Well, you entered at 9:35. Yeah, we took the long 11s. We got it was honestly just sloppy. Like we had the right idea. We had the right TP, ES previous day high, but we kind of just got chopped up. Indicator for the session is called ICT kill zones and pivot CFO. Thoughts on shorts from me? What's from me? Who's Riddy? This trade is no good, bro. You just had the wrong bias. That's all. You just had the wrong bias. You were looking for reversal. You should have been looking for a continuation. That's all. And I don't know where you shorted from. I guess a 15-minute. It's not a bad setup. The setup's not bad. If you had the right bias, the short would have played out. You just had the wrong bias, you know? I think you shorted somewhere here. I mean this is like red flag, bro. This is such a red flag. We don't even have a wick high at 9. If we just dump at 9:30, the whole point of this dump was to induce shorts. So you really do have to wait for that, you know? You really do have to wait for that reversal. And if you waited here, you take the CISD on the way up. And it's a lot better of a trade. Let's say you got something like this on the fair value gap. Even that's 3R. You did great today. Yeah, today was a good day. Today was a good day. Hopefully you guys managed to secure something or walk away with some profits. Or just learn. Hopefully you guys saw that price action, what we were looking for. I never really switched my bias. Even after this candle at 942, I never switched my bias. I said, okay, I'm just going to wait for it to reinverse. It did. We took the long. We got chopped out, stopped. And then previous day high delivered. NQ could reach for previous day high. It's possible. We'll see. I was bullish today. Can you tell me what biases you look for? I don't know what that means. What does that mean, bro? Yeah, I'm holding till 2144 point to make or break here. I need this to pass. Yeah. I probably should have also just check out EU. I'll check out EU, Don. I also should have just held it to pass too, to be honest, because it just I have to find a whole other setup. EU. How was London today? So we put in that high. So if you were bearish on EU, right, you put in the high. You could have longed towards the high and then caught the short after. So let's see how this formed. That's actually pretty nice. As soon as we touch that premium, we shift, touch the CSD. Wow, and we go. Cool, cool, cool. Anyways, you're probably talking about New York session. What the hell is that, bro? That's ugly. If I saw this for the first 30 minutes of open, I'd probably just leave, bro. Protraction model to previous day high. Would I trade it? Yeah, I would probably if it forms nicely. I don't know where it's gonna protract to, or sorry, retrace to. It's nothing clean. We'd have to probably take out a short-term low. For it to be high probability, we'd have to take out a short-term. This guy said 6-minute fair value gap. You know what? That is the cleanest fair value gap. So if you want to look at that 6-minute, it's about to form. You could look for a protraction. That's actually valid as fuck. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. He ain't even wrong. He ain't even wrong. Send me a private message if you're looking for... No, I'm good, bro. Oh, shoot. I think I'm just checking out the rebill here. With that being said, for those of you who saw what I posted in the Discord the other day, also this is your 6-minute fair value gap. So what would I look for? A 1-minute inversion. So let's say we inverse this, for example, or if we put in another one and inverse that, you could take a long there, but it's not the best. It's not the best idea. How did you guys do today? Why is it not letting me? E is 500 away from passing this painful. Just shit hit my TP. Nice, bro. Oh shit, you're sorry. You're 500 away and didn't hit. Ah, that's annoying. Were you also on the rebuild shit, bro? You were with me, like you were just like us, me and Chooch, me and Chooch. Oh, we're all on the. That's crazy. We be all on the same shit, huh? We all be on that same shit. Yeah, look, listen, next time I get the combine, guys, we're just gonna send it. Like, we're just gonna go for it. We're not like I'm gonna risk what I said I was gonna risk. Was it 375 or like 400, and aim for like 2R or something. We might even just do 500. Let me get this. XCLS is back. Reversal, no longs. Yes, of course. You'd rather tell my chat and then just trade it yourself. Um, 2 minutes forming. I want to see 2 minutes to be formed. Yeah, I was just gonna say that. Wow, we literally said the exact same thing, bro. I want to see the 2 minute form as well. We're a lot. Am I really gonna long a 6 minute fair value gap right now? I think I am. Wouldn't even be a midweek reversal. It's literally Monday high of week. So I'm not gonna lie, bro. GatieTrades, I don't really trust you, bro. I don't really trust you. So I don't read chat. It's still not midweek reversal. It's still Monday high of week. Looks like we're not gonna get that inversion. Midweek reversal meaning it's taking out into a week high and bearish profile. Midweek reversal means it puts in the high of week and reverses from there. We did not put in the high of week. We didn't do that. Oh yeah, I would have to look for a short. I wouldn't look for a long. I would look at this for a CISD. Maybe the sell side there. Bro, you so caught up on semantics? Not really, bro. It's not semantics. It's either a midweek reversal or not, you know? You take anything? Yeah, we took the longs, but we did get chopped up. So my first trade was like this. And I was aiming for that 15-minute high of day. My first long, sorry, it was right here. And then we did get stopped break even. You know what? It really shouldn't have hit our, like wait, would I put my stop here or here? Our stop should have been here. We wouldn't have ever been, oh, it's, you know what it is? It's because the micro, we got an SMT. How annoying is that, huh? We got an SMT with the micro and the mini. So we were stopped out on the micro. This is where my stop loss was. We really, oh wow. That's how close we were to passing the account today, guys. I mean, it is what it is. Yeah, I wouldn't look for a long. I think it's the reverse. I think this reverses. I think this puts in a bearish order block right here. Guys, this is where we got stopped out today. I'm not even joking. All right, you guys were in the stream. Remember we talked about, I said I'm going to put it at this propulsion block. And we literally got stopped right there. You think it goes to previous day high? I don't see no 30-minute. I don't see myself taking another trade here, bro. Honestly, it's not that clean. Took a quick 15-second inversion right there. Nice, brother. Good stuff, my man. Should I learn from ICT or TJR? I mean, if you want to learn ICT, in my personal opinion, don't learn it from TJR. But if you want to trade how TJR trades and you don't really care about the other stuff, then just do TJR. But if you want to trade ICT and you want to become a good ICT trader, don't in my opinion, don't learn from TJR. I'm not saying you can't be profitable. I'm just saying. I accidentally didn't copy trade that. So I kind of do want to take another trade here. But obviously I don't want to force a trade. Yeah, there's an FEG for 30 on the 30-minute. So protraction models is there potentially, but we didn't really touch. Hey daddy, how you are stream after a long time? You haven't been here in a long time? You got me scanning weird time frames for a fair value gap. That's how you know you're looking for a protraction, bro. Damn, they all suck. NQ3MM. I mean, yo, listen. That could have been the move, you know? That could have been the move. Okay, hold on, let me catch up. Your Discord available? Yeah, is the link not working, man? Because, man, I keep updating it. I think it's just TikTok. In my opinion, this goes lower. If I had to guess. I don't think it's going to go higher. I don't know. That's just me. Discord is available and it's free. Yep, all you brother. Man, I focused on NAS, but SP gave the... Exactly, man. You know, today was the day you traded ES, I guess. You know, just one of those days. ES didn't fuck around. Just went straight to TP. I think I'm getting off the chart. Yeah, it might be a good idea, bro. I'm good, Guadalupe. How much you lose? I lost 500. Is your Discord... It's not working? You gotta copy paste the link into browser. Make sense? Pretty clear. Self-explanatory, right? You gotta copy and paste the link into browser. Yeah, you gotta open. It's just TikTok does that. Why do people call ICT a fraud? He's made a lot of promises that he hasn't been able to keep. I'm so fucking close to passing my eval. It makes me impatient. I feel you, bro. I feel you, cuz... I might lock myself out before I blow the account. How close are you, Ryan? Straight up. Say you risk 500 on a trade, Ryan. How much R do you need? 1, 2, 1.5? $300. Boo. Dead ass, bro. All I'm gonna say is risk 150, get 1 R, and that's it, bro. That's it. Hold on. What's it called? Do some math here. Just kidding, do not do that. You'll get 300 in a second. Have you ever backtested your strategy second chart like 15 seconds? Only the protraction model I use 15 second. Otherwise, I don't use 15 second. How did you learn? First, was it from your mentor? I've learned everything from ICT on YouTube. Nothing else. On a $600 account, what's good RR? Doesn't matter the account size for risk to reward. Yeah, I want to see if this delivers lower. I have one account that I accidentally did not copy trade, and I kind of want to match up the accounts. You trade unicorn? Sure. The unicorn forms. I'll take a unicorn setup. Yeah, it looks like lunch or something will be better. This looks like it might just go towards the highs. Yeah, I'll probably take it at lunch or something. I don't think we're gonna get something good here, but I don't know. How'd you guys do today? What other setups? When you copy trade all your accounts on Tossip? Yes, exactly. Exactly, brother. 494. Yes, left agent low and touch with heavy bear pressure might be a good target for afternoon. Yeah, afternoon or tomorrow. I don't know if it'll happen today. In my opinion, that's more of a tomorrow thing. That's more of a tomorrow thing. How does it work with Top Step? How do you do the copy trading? With Top Step X, it's easy. You just need to... Hold on. You just need to link up the copy trader, that's all. No biggie. I was up 1.3K, but I didn't close it. I thought our bottom tick of 10 a.m. candle was going to be bigger. And then what did it do? It wicked. I mean, 10 a.m. candle was bigger, bro. This ain't big enough for you, bro? How much you risk on the 50K top step? Funded or eval? I recently just posted my entire... This could deliver lower. The 3-minute gap if we get an inversion here. The math here. Yeah, honestly, I feel bad for people who took trades today because I feel like it's just so... It's just so bad. I did, yeah. How much is a normal risk for a 50K funded top step? What do you mean normal? What's normal? What does normal mean? It all depends, brother. It all depends, brother. Today, yeah. Can't even trade PM session. I got football training. I guess tomorrow's last day, Ryan. Tomorrow's the last day then, Ryan. Go check out my brother Powell student. Check out my story, brother. I don't know what you just said, bro. I saw you, bro. You do you. Thoughts on Apex? They're not bad. I don't see myself taking anything right now. No, it would probably be lunch or PM session. Would probably be lunch or PM session. What's your advice on the next trade? Do the exact same thing, brother. 18-minute trunks. You've been waiting for this buy since morning. Market maker give 2 days of good price action. Bro, those 2 days were really good price action, for real. Well, I appreciate everyone coming through. Probably call the live there. I don't see myself taking another trade. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. We will be live trading tomorrow. If you have any questions, feel free to join the free Discord. You can ask me, why are you executing on both? Because I want to execute on NQ. Also, just for recording purposes, I make content. It's a lot cleaner on TradingView. So I want to do it like that. Take care, brothers. Appreciate everyone coming through. Drop me a message. We'll talk about. Bro, I'm not messaging you, bro. You message me if you need. Take care, brothers. Peace. Peace, peace, peace. See you guys tomorrow. Same time.